everyone, this is Sophia from Foenix Studio. Welcome back, or if you are new, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to set up my digital planner for the month of January. I decided to choose celebration as the theme for this first month of 2023. As you may guess already from the sketch, I am drawing the scene from the New Year's Eve ball drop event at the Times Square as the cover page. This is one of the cover arts that turned out to be more complicated and took much more time to finish than I had suspected. However, I did have a lot of fun drawing these scenes, especially when I also like to watch this event on TV. I don't like to be there in person though, because I don't like crowded and noisy places. My holidays normally are time to be with my family and personal time to read books or watch movies. I had a lot of fun with my family during the holidays last year, to the point that I delayed many plans for the channel, such as the 2023 planner setup videos. While feeling guilty about breaking my plans, I have no regret having times with my family and for myself. I felt quite refreshed after that and had time to think about the future of my Foenix studio. I reassessed my reasons for starting this store and this channel and realized that the model of the Plan With Me videos that I'm doing right now have been taking up more of my time than they should have. You see, even though I like to draw, I don't have any intention to become a full-time artist. So for this year, my products and videos are going to lean toward the planning and the productivity aspect than the art aspect. This new direction is going to hopefully help me to produce more products and videos. For example, I will not draw any complicated cover arts like this one anymore. I'm going to draw simple arts for the covers instead, and sometimes I may not have any if I am too busy. I will have more videos about actual planning and journaling, also about how I set up my productivity system. Those are the initial plans for the future of this small business and channel. I hope that I'm going to grow this business and channel sustainably as a stable stream of income so that I could achieve my big goal, which is being financial independent. For that reason, I think I'm going to have more finance-related videos in the future, like how I use my digital planner to track my spending, etc. If you like planning, productivity, and personal finance topics, consider to subscribe to my channel for the future videos about them. The cover art is done. Now it's time to bring it into my digital planner. The digital planner that I am using here is a new design. Its size is smaller and its icons were written to be always strips. However, this new planner is still on the developing stage. I am testing out a lot of things to finalize the new planner for next year's product launch. By the way, if you like this cover art, it's free to download on the phoenixstudio.com website. And who bought any planner from the studio will have these 2023 calendar templates as the bonus. The cover art pages are done. Let's move to the monthly page. This is the new feature that I am testing out for the new design. Right now, all the monthly pages and weekly pages have the ready-to-use templates. I am thinking about adding hyperlinks lead to the weekly pages. I might create a new dated digital planner for 2024 as well if I have time. As always, I am going to add some digital stickers to decorate the pages. This time it's going to be a very simple setup, meaning not a lot of stickers. One of the reasons why I make the planner smaller is because the Goodnotes pen thickness on the smaller side pages would look more profound than on the bigger side pages. Smaller side planner also means smaller file size, which would help any annotation app load faster and at the same time reduce the chances of crashing. The color of this planner is pastel pink. What do you think about it? Do you like it? Next year planners will have pastel color schemes, and this pastel pink is one of them. What other color schemes for planners that you want to see? Let me know down below. All the pages were set up. Let's have the final flip through. And that's all. Thanks for watching. I am going to see you all again soon. Happy planning. Bye now.